To start replacing this radiator support bracket, I'm going to first undo the push clip here that holds the splash shield onto it. Use a trim tool, pop out the center, and then the rest of it, that's disconnected. And then if you're on the ground, you can use a jack or a jack stand or whatever you have. I just want to support this area right here. That's where the radiator is. And when we take this down, the radiator is going to want to drop a little bit, and I don't want it to go too far. So I'm just going to put something here to support it. And now we have to take out these two 13mm headed bolts. There's the second one. I'm going to go ahead and separate this splash shield here and just move it out of my way, kind of like that. Force the radiator up out of the mounting hole, just like that. Slide this forward. There it is. Now take your new radiator support, slide it into position, and line up the bolt holes on the frame, as well as the radiator up here. I'm going to put these two bolts through. I'm going to start with the longer one. That one goes through the subframe completely. Tighten it up. Now you can remove your support and reattach the splash shield if you unhooked it from over here. One last thing is to put back this push clip. And there you go. Job done.